What's up guys, it's Cooper here on DOS Media. So today we're going to be installing the purple NRG Prisma bucket seats along with the white Braum harness bar. I already put on the mounted bracket for the NRG bucket seat. I'm not too sure if it's going to fit yet. I haven't taken out the stock seat yet, but we will find out. I'm not too sure where I want to place this. I know a lot of people put it right here when they do get the harness bar, but I think I will be placing my camera right there a lot, so that might rub the sticker off. So we'll probably find a different position, might sticker bomb it in the future, we'll see.
You have the two in the back here, and then you also have two in the front here. I don't have the plastic covers in the back, but I do have the plastic covers in the front. And they're pretty simple to take off as well. Let me just take that right off. Bam. And there's your other two. So, what you are going to want is a 14mm to take out these four that are holding the seat down. Let's go ahead and undo these. We will now lift the seat up, and then we'll look under here. So you have three under here that you're going to want to unplug. Unplug your battery first of all before you even start doing this. But then this one I believe is going to be your airbag. So pull this white pin up and then pull it out. This middle one right here. You're going to have a pin right in the middle right here. You're going to push that in and you pull that out. And then also we have this little white one, if you can see that. And then with this small one, you're just going to push in on this side and it should allow you just to pull that right out. Bam! Got all the zip ties off, and now we can finally take the seat out. So let's go ahead and do that. This will also be 14mm. Now, while I have the driver's seat out, I'm gonna go ahead and start messing with the harness bar. Just like the seat, I'm gonna undo this little cover that hides this bolt. I'm gonna get a flathead under here and just pop that sucker out like that.
this is also going to be 14 millimeter. Bam. Got that out. Bam. Once you get both sides of the bottom, you will then move up to the top, and you have this right here. Let me just pop this out. Just like so. Should be good enough. And we should be able to just pull it right off. Ba-bam. So this bolt, after you get that undone, it's also going to be 14 millimeter. Now, got that up, and we can start on that side. All these will be separate. Pretty easy to put together. You just put it in this little slot right there, and then screw that in, and then bolt it up to this. If you are needing to loosen these up, mine were 18 millimeter. And I think that's 14, and then that might be 16. So we now have the harness bar installed. Yeah, I wasn't too sure on these. They're more likely supposed to go on this side, which if that's the case, then I will change it. But for right now, it seems like it's going to work fine with it being on this side. So, harness bar is now in. And now it is just time to put in the seat. And we're going to plug in this clip, which will be for this right here. We'll probably hide it under like this or under there or something. So let's get that in there. We already installed the seat belt onto the bucket seat. Hooked it up to that skinny clip right there. The rest you don't have to do anything with. So now we just need to put in the 14 millimeter bolt. Got the bolts in. Now I will say I did drive in this, and I might need the sliders because gotta go flip it though for the clutch. Not only that, this is my eye level. If I scoot back a little bit, okay, now that's my eye level. But now I'm really tiptoeing. Hopefully the sliders will resolve that issue. I'm not too sure if I'm going to post the video just yet,
or get the sliders then post it. But if I post it without the sliders, this is probably what you're gonna do with if you're average size. Everything's done, looks good. Eventually I'll get one for that side. So we are now putting on the seat sliders. The seat sliders will be going onto the bracket that is on the seat. What you will do is you'll push this down and then you'll slide this, revealing this hole and this one. There's two that you can bolt it up to. And then with the bottom one, it's going to be the same exact way. Just slide it out to where you can actually see it, and then you can put it in. Also, I did have to change up how that one is screwed in. I put it on the second slot. And I'm gonna probably have to do that with this one as well to make it actually fit on the bottom. I forgot to add that when putting on these sliders, you see this first nut, and there's another one back there. As you see there, we took the seat off right here from the NRG bracket, and then it was easier for us to access those spots. We used a little magnet with a wire on it to actually get it in there, but whatever you guys can find and get to actually get it in there. If you guys have help, I did have help with my friend Tristan. I mean, this is a lot better. I can actually reach the pedals. It adds a little bit of height, as you can see, about maybe like 1.5 inches. And that is us installing the bucket seat and the harness bar into the 2003 G35. I'm not too sure what the next modification is going to be, but there will be a video on it. I might post a small video of us installing the harnesses into it. I did leave the stock seat belts. So Northwest Arkansas does host these events. They have autocross and they have drifting. It happens all at the Drakefield Airport, located between Greenland and Fayetteville, Arkansas. Autocross, they'll set up cones for you guys to bring any car out there and take it on a time course. And also drifting, they'll set up a little drifting course for people to come out there and drift. So they're setting up something new for Northwest Arkansas. They're going to have autocross and they're going to have drifting in Eureka, Arkansas. I believe the autocross is also going to be at the same exact place. They're going to have a grip and a drifting through the mountains. I'm going to show a little clip right here. It's probably going to be a vertical view. That little clip is the trailer of what's going to happen for drifting May 11th and May 12th. So I would be on the lookout for that. It's going to be really fun. The airport is also really fun. And I can't wait to take the G35 back out there. I'm a lot more confident than I've ever been. And I'm ready just to learn as much as I can and be as good as I can. And with the drifting, it is only $5 to go in there and spectate. And then to get a ride along with some of the drift cars that are out there, it's only $20 to have a ride with a lot of drift cars. And if you guys do get a ride in this car and or my brother's new drift car, which he just got, it's got to have a little bit more work on it, but you will be seeing it out there. I'm also going to probably put Dospedia on the side of the door. But if you guys do get a ride along with me and or him, then you guys will have the ability to choose between a Dospedia keychain or a Dospedia sticker. So it's a little plus to having a ride along
ML G35 or the Mustang. But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, share, subscribe to DOS Media for more content like this. And remember, stay tuned for next video. Peace.